Do you know that over 40% of Nigerians depend on fish for the daily protein need and is the only source of protein for most Nigerians? Do you know that over $6.6 billion is spent every year in fish importation alone, and yet we still fall short of 980,000 metric tons in supply? These factors, coupled with the fact that 60% of the variable water bodies are affected by oil spillage, have made fish farming not only a profitable business, but one meeting a critical social need. But this expectation has not yet been realized, as the high cost of starting up a fish farm has deterred investment in this sector. This high cost has been chiefly attributed to the cost of purchasing and setting up a concrete pond. This is where our innovation of the collapsible fish pond comes in strategic. The collapsible fish pond is not just 70% less cost expensive than the conventional type of pond, but it's also easy to set up, mobile, and more durable. It is fabricated creatively from two materials: cheap and locally sourced tarpaulin polymer and stainless steel. With our innovation, new businesses are springing up and existing ones expanding to take advantage of our unique low-cost pond. Join us in creating a sustainable and sufficient Nigeria. Vote for the Fisher Project.